I'm gonna do some curry chicken foot, the Jamaican way, so you can see how I do it. See? So this is a chicken foot, and I'm cutting up my onion, garlic, ginger in there, thyme, carrot, and I cut up some pepper already, and I'm gonna cut up some more. Okay, so this is the way I curry my chicken foot. So this is the way I do.
In the curry?
And this is the curry. You can see some curry on it. Soon to stir it. Right? So this is where I would like you to like, share, subscribe to it. This is Auntie Claire Jamaican way of cooking it. So like it, share it. Don't forget to touch the notification.